There's a slash, and if you hear like crunching, we're fat and eating cookies. Ow, nigga.
Did that hit you?
No, like freaking. It was gonna hit me, but it like turned. Hit the jump.
What, that?
Yeah.
Yeah, come over here. Let's do that. Try to flip it.
We're gonna try to flip it off the.
So?
That was cool looking. I'm gonna try to flip it off the tree stump.